Okay, so I'm going to open and close the garage door with the mobile app here, and then I will open and close the garage door using this button. So on the mobile app, it shows the status of the garage door, open or closed. It shows the button to open and close the garage door, and then here is the video feed, so you'll see the door opening and closing. So I'm going to toggle the garage door open and close button, and you should see the status change from closed to open, and you can see the garage door video feed starting to show the garage door is opening. There, the status changed to open. Now there's a little bit of delay on the video feed, about 7 seconds, so I'm gonna close it. Now you see the status change before you saw the video feed, showing the garage door is closing, and that's because of the delay. Okay, now I'm going to open and close the garage door using this button. So here you should see it opening. There, it's all the way open. Click it again to close it. So that's it, and I'm just gonna back up here and show you the setup.